Okay, this is my acid wash setup on Evinrude 115 horsepower 2012. So I connected one hose for the discharge going down to the bucket. Then I connected another hose into the water intake right there. And then I have my pickup hose from 12-volt pump right into the bucket. And here you can see the discharge from the engine right there. So I got the continuous view on a discharge just like that. And here's a discharge from the lower unit. I'm gonna let it run for about half an hour, and then I'll do 1 hour cleaning with the fresh water. So this is it, very simple. Harbor Freight, couple hoses connections. I don't know the diameter on the pickup hose, but you can figure that out. Home Depot, Harbor Freight.